you breastfed for?
1
Oh, that's, no, like 20 minutes.
hour.
10 and 10 on,
Yeah.
10 and, yeah, you'll be so sore if you're breastfeeding her a whole hour.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no.
So
She's good.
Okay. So I can't sleep.
Yeah, girlfriend, you don't want to be nursing her the whole time. You ready? Okay, take a deep breath in. Blow it out real hard. Good. Sorry. I'm gonna go grab some stuff.
So, whatever, is that like 20 minutes?
So 10 to 15 minutes on each side, max.
Okay.
And then you go, I don't know, what's the max you let them go, 3 hours?
Yeah, 3 hours in between.
Yeah.
Like at 2.5 hours, you can try to wrestle her awake a
Yeah.
little bit.
So yeah, otherwise you'll even be nursing, like, you're gonna have a baby at your breast the whole day. No, we don't want that.
And they'll suck forever because it's just a
Yeah.
reflex.
Yeah.
So.
That's what